Oh man. That was Cooper River Farm chicken apple sausage. That's what I do for a living. I sell Cooper River Farm sausage, primals, all that, but our sausage line is our most prevalent line. We've got Dexter with us today. Dexter actually uses this stuff. There are people that use
delicious product. It is. We're making some sausage Monte Cristos today. With a little blueberry jam.
Oh man.
I got 4 eggs here and just a little bit of milk.
The audience, I think most of them were just introduced to a Monte Cristo on July 5th. I think a lot of them have never heard of a Monte Cristo.
It's like a French toast grilled cheese, basically.
Oh, they're freaking delicious, aren't they?
Yeah, and we're doing a smaller version today with a little bit of vanilla sugar. We're not making it too sweet today because it's just a savory sandwich.
Yeah.
And we've already got the jam, but still I got a little bit of vanilla sugar here. And that's just sugar. We store it with a little vanilla bean in it. And you can do that at home and it'll pick up the flavor for months.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. Just bruise the bean a little bit first, put it in there with your sugar, and anytime you pull a little sugar out, just put the same amount in and you'll have that amount for a while. Do a few grinds of cinnamon.
What's your best seller at Earlyburg?
We sell a lot of the country scramble and a lot of the chicken and waffles. Shrimp and grits does real good. It's usually those 3 kind of switch being the most popular.
I know I'm a huge fan of your chicken and waffles. Like if I sneak over
That's
there.
usually everybody's first thing to get, and
Yeah.
some folks just get that all the time.
Yeah.
It's like we found it. That's just what we're gonna do.
Well, it was funny. Joe, right before you came, Joe was like, breakfast is the only meal that you could eat the same thing every time.
Yeah.
And not be considered a psychopath.
Well, and it's it's not a bad business plan for breakfast places. We're the place that there's people I see every day. There's a few guys I see 2 or 3 times a day sometimes. You form a relationship with people.
Yeah.
And you do your best to learn how to cook their eggs like their mama cooked their eggs. And if you do that, you'll be all right.
Yeah.
The English muffin takes a little bit longer to soak up the batter than other breads, but it's worth it. Man, that smells good.
Yeah. Your pancakes are damn good pancakes too. Though.
Yeah, thank you. We sell a lot of
Yeah. What's the secret?
We use H&R flour, which isn't good for anything else. Like if you want to make some terrible biscuits, use H&R flour, but it works really good for pancakes. It makes a good sturdy pancakes. You don't have to overmix it to feel like you got something that's going to hold together. So you end up with something that's hearty, but you can still get kind of a light product out of it. We use fresh cinnamon. We grind it all the time.
Really? Okay.
It makes a big difference. The eggs we use at the diner kind of make a difference in everything too. We get them from Watson Farms up in Lowry's, South Carolina.
Okay.
And they're fantastic eggs. The demand for like uniformity and consistency, I understand where it comes from, but I think sometimes, it's become such a part of like the American culinary culture, it's limiting, you know what I mean? Vegetables don't grow that way, they don't all grow the same size and shape. I think it should be more about making something pretty and delicious that maybe might look slightly different than the thing that went right before it,
Yeah.
As long as the flavor and the effort's there, oh yeah.
That's that apple and brown sugar now. Caramelizing.
We're just learning how to grow tasty tomatoes again because we concentrated so hard on growing tomatoes that would ripen in the truck on the way to somewhere or were exactly the same size and shape all the time, Now we're kind of having to figure out how to, still make people happy with the things we make, but get back to making them just in the best way possible too, All right, I know that seems like a lot of butter, but butter's healthy again. Ask anybody. All right.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Oh man.
That's such a good sausage too, man.
Yeah.
Great job.
I don't know. I see they're saying it needs whipped cream. I think that would make it too decadent. It's delicious just the way it is.
Thanks for inviting me to do this, man. It's fun.
Oh man,